In this video I will explain how to make liquid fertilizer for plants from chicken manure. It's already mid-April and leaves have started to appear on the red currant, gooseberry and raspberry with buds having opened. Now it's urgently necessary to fertilize on the soil so that the growth of the leaves is more vigorous. Since we keep chickens, we have a lot of chicken manure, so there won't be any problems with that. I made a kind of box for the chicken manure. The chickens roost here, and all the manure collects on this shelf. It dries out well and doesn't smell as much after a week. To properly fertilize the plants without burning them, it's necessary to prepare a 10% solution. In this case, we will use 1 liter jar per liter of water for each raspberry or gooseberry bush. A container is needed. I have a pot that holds 4 buckets, as well as 2 buckets of chicken manure and 2 buckets of water. Chicken manure contains a lot of nitrogen and other beneficial substances, but it has almost no potassium. Therefore, it is necessary to add regular ash in the amount of 1 liter jar per 2 buckets of manure. I take a liter mug of ash, obtained from burning branches after pruning trees. First, pour 2 buckets of water into the container. And pour in 2 buckets of chicken manure. Now mix everything well. And add a liter jar of ash. Now we close the container with an airtight lid and leave this fertilizer for 1 week to ferment. 1 week has passed and we can fertilize our plant. Raspberries, shrubs and grapes. Let's see how our liquid fertilizer has fermented. You can see that a layer has risen to the top. There are small bubbles. It is necessary to mix everything well until it reaches a uniform consistency. After this, the fertilizer needs to be diluted in water at a ratio that is for 10 liters of water. I will take half a liter of liquid fertilizer. And mix the fertilizer solution well. You can see that the raspberry bushes have started to wake up. Small leaves have appeared and it's time to fertilize these bushes. And if there are no leaves yet, wait a little until they appear. Under 1 bush you need to pour 10 liters of fertilizer. In a couple of days, the fertilizer will take effect and the bushes, raspberries and other plants will grow twice as fast and the bushes will be stronger.